All right, so here I have our little experiment box that we're going to be using in our experiment at NASA. This is a box that was machined here in this lab. We have placed an aluminum plate of superhydrophobic material on the back and then a glass plate of superhydrophobic material on the front so that we can see into it. What we're going to be doing is filling this up with water and heating up the water inside to the point where it will boil. We're also going to be pulling a vacuum from this port on this little containment unit in order to decrease the temperature that water will boil at. Now what we're hoping to see is as the bubbles start to form in the water, they will start to get larger and larger, and then when they contact the edges of those superhydrophobic triangles, they'll have no other place to go but either up or down. So our experiment is trying to overcome the fact that there is zero buoyancy in zero gravity. Air bubbles in water do not rise to the surface like they do here on Earth. So our experiment is to see if we can find some inexpensive, simple method to overcome that fact, trying to get these air bubbles to move somewhere in this little bit of water. Here is a sample of what those triangles look like of the superhydrophobic material. This black part here is the superhydrophobic, and then this silver part is just bare aluminum, which is naturally hydrophilic, which means water-loving. So the water is more attracted to this aluminum section, and the superhydrophobic, which is water-hating, repels that water away. So if I put any water on this, it just sort of sticks to those sections and then runs right off of the black sections.